As a manufacturer, we offer efficient and reliable aluminum alloy, waste recycling production, lines at factory, direct prices. Our lines can effortlessly handle various industrial and recycled waste materials, including used window and door frames, automotive components, and more. For core processing steps, ensure high-efficiency purification. Step 1. Powerful shredding pretreatment. The twin shaft shredder, with its interlocking cutter shafts, rapidly shears and tears large pieces of waste into smaller chunks, reducing the material size and lightening the load for subsequent processes. Step 2. Precise crushing and shaping. The vertical crusher works precisely through the impact of hammers and the extrusion of tooth plates. It crushes the small pieces of waste into particles ranging from 5 to 50 millimeters, ensuring thorough fragmentation of the metal. Step 3. Accurate iron removal by magnetic separation. The crushed particles pass through a permanent magnetic drum separator using magnetic fields. It strongly attracts iron impurities such as screws and rust. The aluminum materials slide down the drum, achieving an iron impurity removal rate of over 99% and ensuring high purity. Steps: efficient non-metal separation by eddy current. Once the particles enter the eddy current separator, under the action of an alternating magnetic field, aluminum particles are repelled by the Lorentz force and ejected, while non-conductive non-metals such as plastic simply fall, achieving a complete separation of metals and non-metals. Choose our production lines to achieve higher quality recycling at a lower cost.